Hello, and thank you very much for taking a look at our business plan specific for a short-term rentals business. Just very quickly, I'm going to overview the sample just so you get a sense of the look and feel of our work. We always start with the executive summary outlining the operations of the business. For the purposes of this sample, we're showcasing the acquisition of 2 properties, overview of the revenue and profits. Chapter 2 deals with the use of funds. Chapter 3, an overview of the operations. Chapter 4 is an overview of the organization, discussing things like mission statement, vision statement, objectives. Chapter 5 is the industry research, outlining the current economic climate, the industry, customer profile, competitive analysis. Chapter 6 is an overview of the key strategic issues, discussing sustainable operations and basis of growth. Chapter 7 is the marketing plan, which in this case is very focused heavily on using Airbnb and VRBO. Chapter 8 is an overview of the organization, payroll and headcount. And then, of course, the financial model, which is done on a 5-year basis and has a profit and loss statement, cash flow analysis, common size income statement, cash flow analysis, balance sheet, break-even analysis, and business ratios. We then end the plan with a SWOT analysis, discussing the strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities and threats. And the final chapter is the critical risks, discussing development risk, financing risk, marketing, management, valuation, and exit risk. For the first year, we break down the profit and loss monthly, and it's quarterly for years 2 through 5. I'm just scrolling through this quickly because it's basically, broken down quarterly, but similar looking tables. And that's the same deal with the cash flow analysis, and I'll spare you that headache. And that's essentially it. This is, again, sort of the look and feel of our work. Everything we do is done specifically for the needs of each client. If you are starting a short-term rentals business and you're in need of a business plan, certainly feel free to visit our website. We have numerous other samples in addition to this one. And certainly feel free to reach us anytime. Thank you very much for taking a look. Take care.